Google search CrackU free CAT mocks. Click on the first link. You can attempt 3 latest mocks in the actual exam interface. After completing the test, you get detailed solutions, analysis, and percentile along with your scorecard to gauge your All India performance. Click on the solutions to get video solutions from our expert faculty.
Hello guys, welcome to CrackU video series. In today's video, we'll be discussing about the top 30 non-IIM colleges in India. So let's get started. So we'll be discussing about the top non-IIM MBA colleges that offer 2-year MBA program. So the list includes the top B schools which accept different entrance exams such as CAT, XAT, GMAT, SNAP, TIS, MAT, IIFT, MAHCT and so on. But please note that these are not based on any rankings. Rankings differ for different people. Some people rank based on placements, some people rank the institutes based on the ROI and so many such factors. Also, we are providing the approximate cutoffs based on the previous year's data, but the cutoffs may vary year to year based on a variety of factors. Also, we are providing the fees details as per the available information, but the fees may change. So the candidates are advised to check with the official college websites also before making a decision, and also for more detailed information. Okay, so let's look at the top 30 non-IIM MBA colleges. Let's start with KJ Somaiya, Mumbai. Established in 1981, this is one of the premier B schools in Maharashtra. It intakes students to the CAT, XAT, GMAT, CMAT and the NMAT exams. The cutoff is usually around 80 to 85 plus percentile. The course fee stands at around 16 lakhs and the average placement is around 10 to 11 lakhs per annum. Next we have Delhi School of Economics. Established in 1949, it intakes the students through CAT. The CAT cutoff is usually around 93 plus percentile and the average placement is 9 plus lakh per annum and the course fee stands at 0.4 lakhs. So this is one of those good colleges in terms of ROI. Next we have DFS or Department of Financial Studies, Delhi University. Established in 1987, it intakes students through the CAT examination. The cutoff for CAT is usually around 95 plus percentile. The course fee stands at 0.5 lakh and the average placement is around 12 plus lakh per annum. Next we have Great Lakes, Chennai. Established in 2004, Great Lakes also has a campus in Gurugram, but Chennai is their main campus. It intakes the students through CAT, XAT and the CMAT. The cutoff is usually around 85 percentile. The course fee stands at 19 to 20 lakh and the average placement is around 10 to 11 lakh per annum. Goa Institute of Management. Established in 1993, the exams accepted for admission are CAT, XAT and CMAT. Cutoff is around 85 plus percentile. The course fee stands at 16 lakh and the average placement is around 11 to 12 lakh per annum. TA Pai Management Institute or TAPMI, Manipal. Established in 1980, it intakes students through the CAT, XAT and the GMAT exams. The cutoff is usually around 85 plus percentile. The course fee stands at 14 to 15 lakh and the average placement is around 11 to 12 lakh per annum. Next, Institute of Rural Management, Anand, Gujarat. Established in 1979, it intakes the students through CAT and the XAT exams. Cutoff is usually around 80 plus percentile. Average placement stands at 10 to 11 lakh per annum. The course fees is around 12 lakh. MICA, Ahmedabad. Established in 1991, MICA is popular for advertisement and marketing. The exams accepted for admission are CAT and then the MyCAT. The cutoff is usually around 90 plus percentile. And for CAT, the cutoff is usually around 70 to 80 plus percentile. The course fee stands at 20 lakh and the average placement offered is around 12 to 13 lakh per annum. Next we have Simsri, Mumbai. Established in 1983, this is considered as one of the best B schools in Maharashtra after JBIMS. It intakes the students through MAHCT, CAT and CMAT and the MAHCT cutoff is usually high and it's around 99.9 percentile. The course fee stands at 1.5 lakh and the average placement offered is around 10 to 11 lakh per annum. The Department of Industrial and Management Engineering, IIT Kanpur. The MBA program is introduced in the year 2001. It intakes the students through CAT and the cutoff is 95 percentile. The course fee stands at 1 lakh and the average placement is around 10 plus lakh per annum. Next we have the Department of Management Studies, IISc, Bengaluru. It is established in 1948 and it intakes the students through CAT, GMAT and GATE. The cutoff is around 95.5 plus percentile. The course fee stands at 2 lakh and the average placement offered stands at around 24 plus lakhs per annum. So in terms of ROI, this is another very good college to consider. Department of Management Studies, IIT Madras. The Department of Management Studies was established in 2004 in IIT Madras. The exams accepted for admission are CAT and the cutoff is around 96 percentile. The course fee stands at 8 lakh and the average placement offered is around 12 plus lakh per annum. Next we have Department of Management Studies IIT Roorkee. Established in 1998, it intakes the students through CAT. The cutoff is 94 percentile. The course fee stands at 10.5 lakh. The average placement offered is 10 plus lakh per annum. Next we have XIMB Bhubaneswar. It is established in the year 1987 and it intakes the students through CAT, XAT, XGMT and GMAT. The cutoff is 90 percentile. The course fee stands at 19 lakh and the average placement is around 15 plus lakh per annum. Vinod Gupta School of Management IIT Kharagpur. It's established in the year 1993. It intakes the students through the CAT exam and the cutoff is around 90 plus percentile. The course fee stands at around 11.5 lakh and the average placement offered is 18 plus lakh per annum. IMI New Delhi. It's established in 1981. It intakes the students through the CAT exam and the cutoff is usually around 88 plus percentile. The average placement stands at around 13 plus lakh per annum and the course fees is around 17 to 18 lakhs. Next we have Institute of Management Technology Ghaziabad. Established in 1980, it accepts the CAT, XAT and the GMAT scores. The cutoff in CAT and XAT is around 90 plus percentile and the cutoff for the GMAT exam is 650 plus marks. The course fee stands at around 17.5 lakh and the average placement is around 12.5 lakh per annum. Next we have SCM HRD Pune. This is one of the premier B schools under the Symbiosis International University and this is also one of the best institute to pursue HR in India. Established in 1993, it intakes the students to the SNAP examination. The cutoff is 96 plus percentile. The course fees is around 17 lakhs and the average placement stands at 13 plus lakh per annum. Next we have SIBM Pune. This is one of the best B schools under the Symbiosis International University. It's established in 1978 and it intakes the students through the SNAP examination. The cutoff is usually 98 plus percentile. The course fee is 20 lakhs and the average placement around 20 to 21 lakh per annum. Next we have Department of Management Studies IIT Delhi. Established in the year 1997, it intakes the students through the CAT exam. The cutoff is 90 plus percentile in CAT. The course fee stands at 9.6 lakh and the average placement is around 20 plus lakh per annum. Next we have Narsee Monjee Mumbai. It's established in the year 1981. They also have campuses in Hyderabad and Bengaluru. But the best campus is the Mumbai campus. It intakes the students through the NMAT exam and the cutoff is usually around 210 plus marks in the NMAT. The course fees stands at 19 to 20 lakhs and the average placement is around 70 to 18 lakh per annum. Shailesh J. Mehta School of Management, IIT Bombay. Established in the year 1995, it intakes the students through the CAT examination. The minimum CAT percentile is 90 plus. However, you need to get at least 98 to 99 percentile to get admission in this college. The course fees is around 9 to 10 lakhs and the average placement stands around 20 plus lakh per annum. Next we have Tata Institute of Social Sciences, Mumbai. It's established in the year 1936 and they don't exactly offer an MBA but they offer master's programs which are accepted by many corporates. And some of the top master's programs include MA in HRM, MA in Development Studies, and then MA in Media and Culture Studies and so on. And this is also one of the best colleges in India to pursue HRM. It intakes the students through the TESNET exam and you need to score at least 74-75 marks out of 100 to make it into the test. The course fee stands at around 2 lakh and the average placement is around 20 plus lakh per annum. So in terms of ROI, this is another very good college that you must consider. Next we have NITI Mumbai. Established in the year 1963, it intakes the students through the CAT examination and the cutoff is 97 plus percentile. The course fee stands at 13 to 14 lakh and the average placement stands around 20 plus lakh per annum. Indian Institute of Foreign Trade. Established in the year 1963, IIFT Delhi also has campuses in Kolkata and Kakinada. It intakes the students through the IIFT entrance exam. The cutoff is usually around 138 marks out of a total score of 300. It's known for its MBA in International Business and the course fee stands around 16 lakhs and the average placement offered is 19 plus lakh per annum. Next we have MDI. Established in the year 1973, MDI is also one of the topmost B schools in our country. It intakes the students through the CAT exam, and the CAT cutoff is around 96 plus percentile. The course fee stands at 22.4 lakhs. The average placement is around 22 plus lakh per annum. Jamnalal Bajaj Institute of Management Studies, Mumbai. Also known as the CEO Factory. It's established in the year 1965, and MMS is the flagship MBA course offered here. The total seats are around 120, and it intakes the students through the MAHCT exam, CMAT and the CAT exam. And it has a very high MAHCT cutoff, and it's around 99.9 plus percentile. The course fee stands at 6 lakh, and the average placement offered is around 22 plus lakh per annum. SP Jain Institute of Management and Research, Mumbai. Established in the year 1981, it accepts the CAT and the GMAT exams for admission. The cutoff is 85 percentile for the profile based selection, and for those students who get shortlisted through the profile cum score based, the cutoff is usually around 95-96 plus percentile. The course fee stands at around 18 lakh for its PGDM program, which is their flagship course, and the average placement is around 26 plus lakh per annum. Next we have XLRI Jamshedpur. XLRI is one of the topmost B schools in our country, and it's consistently ranked among the top B schools in our country. It is established in the year 1949, and it accepts the ZAT and the GMAT exams for admission. The ZAT cutoff is usually around 96 plus percentile, and its flagship courses offered are PGDM in Business Management and PGDM in HRM. And also XLRI is considered as the best institute for HRM in the country, that is for human resources. The total seats available are 180 each for the BM and the HRM program. The course fee stands around 24 lakh, and the average placement offered during the placement is around 24 plus lakh per annum. And finally we have the Faculty of Management Studies, Delhi. FMS is one of the most renowned B schools in the country. It's established in the year 1954, and it intakes the students through the CAT examination. The cutoff is usually around 99 plus percentile. However, if you score around 99.3 plus percentile, you have a good chance of getting a call from FMS. The course fee stands around 2 lakhs, and the average placement offered is 25 plus lakh per annum. So in terms of ROI, FMS is considered as the best college in the country. And also apart from these colleges, there are some other good non-IIM MBA colleges in our country, such as SRCC for the GBO program. Then we have 4 New Delhi, Velinka, UBS Chandigarh, IFMR, Chennai, LBSIM, NITs, Nirma, FMS BHU, BIMTech Greater Noida, XIME, and so on. So these are some of the top non-IIM MBA colleges in our country. So we hope this was helpful. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. It will encourage us to make more such important videos. Thank you so much.